TriNet, Oyster HR, two giants in HR solutions, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, TriNet, the full-service HR powerhouse for growing businesses. And on the right, Oyster HR, making global workforce management simple. Let's skip the industry jargon and get to what matters. Each segment earns points, and by the end, you'll know precisely who stands out in 2025. The winner might just surprise you.
Let's start with a quick overview. Like a mind map for what we're going to compare. We've got pricing and value, global capabilities, technology platform, industry specialization, onboarding and hiring, and customer support. That's pretty much all the big things employers care about. So, got it in your head? Let's dig into each. First up is pricing and value. So with TriNet, everything is customized. Like, you chat with their team, get a tailored price, cool stuff, plus no long-term contracts or anything like that. But here's the kicker. No actual pricing info online, which can be super annoying if you just want a quick answer, right? And certain packages could include stuff you honestly don't need. On the other hand, Oyster HR, it's all out in the open. You see clear global pricing, so no guesswork there. Plus, they boast that you can save up to $29,000 a year. Like, wow, if you hire internationally. But small teams might find Oyster a bit pricey. And if you want those premium features, get ready to pay up. All in all, both sides have solid value, so this one's a tie.
All right, next, global capabilities. TriNet is honestly super solid if you're in the US. Tons of expertise, keeps up with all the state rules, lots of compliance help, but yeah, they're mostly focused on America. If you're thinking globally, you're gonna hit some limits. Oyster HR, though, takes the global thing and runs wild. Over 46 plus countries supported, you get multi-currency payroll, super handy if you're hiring halfway across the world, and there's legit automation for global compliance. Downside? Oyster might not dive super deep into the nuances of the US economy, but if you care more about getting talent from anywhere, Oyster's got the edge here. Now, let's get techie. Technology platform. TriNet, not bad, honestly. There's robust reporting, built-in applicant tracking, you get those user-friendly report builders, but the interface can feel a little old school, and it doesn't really vibe with fast automation. Oyster HR is all about that modern feel. There's an AI virtual assistant, which, come on, is pretty cool, plus instant notifications and snappy integrations with things like Slack and Bamboo HR. But hey, some features might take a bit to get used to if you aren't super techie. Still, if you want that next-gen HR experience, Oyster's taking this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that global EOR services can save companies an average of 40 hours per month on HR tasks? Like, that's an entire week back every month. Just imagine where you could put that time instead. Let's talk industry specialization. This is where TriNet totally flexes. They've got special HR teams for industries. Seriously, vertical customization. So if your field requires expert knowledge, TriNet nails it. And sure, maybe it's a bit over the top for basic needs, but for pros, it rocks. Oyster HR, it's more of a generalist, with experience across different industries globally, but not as deep in one particular sector. So, for specialization, TriNet's your dude. Onboarding and hiring time. TriNet offers a slick digital onboarding experience, centralized applicant stuff, and integrations for job boards. But it's kinda traditional, not much automation. Feels like HR as usual. That's where Oyster HR shows off. Automated onboarding for contractors, pre-made hiring templates, and seriously streamlined global hiring. If you don't need hardcore industry-specific hiring tricks, Oyster's smoother. Winner here? Definitely Oyster. Last up, customer support. So TriNet has specialist teams for pretty much every industry and employment law pros. That gives you a whole next level type of help. Dedicated account managers too, which is honestly nice if you need that personal touch. Sometimes though, it might take longer if your query's kinda simple. Oyster HR flips the script with 24/7 global support. Self-service options, multi-language help. It's quick and super accessible. But you lose some of that in-depth, industry-focused help. For pure expertise, TriNet stands out here. If you look at the radar chart of all the categories, it's kind of wild how each platform dominates different areas. Oyster HR is all about global reach and tech innovation, while TriNet sits at the top for industry expertise and support. So, my opinion, TriNet's basically the HR guru for US-focused, specialized teams. If your business is super niche, this is your safe bet. Oyster HR, though, is what you want for managing a global squad, automating the boring stuff, and staying agile in 2025. If I had to pick just one, honestly, Oyster HR wins for most growing international companies. But TriNet is a close second if industry depth is your thing.
Thinking about which platform fits your company best? Ready to streamline HR and tackle the future head-on? Choose TriNet or Oyster HR according to your goals, whether you're going deep in the US or launching a global empire.